there's really no surprise in finding a bubble tea shop in a city like Krakow, because it's 2022. Every city in the world probably has a bubble tea shop. Whether or not opened up by a Taiwanese person, that's a whole other story. But we are at a place in time where bubble tea has taken over the world. Everybody knows about it, everybody likes it, it's proven, it's a fact. Nothing really surprising about it. But I do think being in Krakow, because Asian cuisine isn't super prevalent here. And so it's almost like having gone through a time machine, going back to, I don't know, early 2000s New York, where bubble tea had just started being introduced.
Is it really just first mover's advantage? If Bubble King is reminiscent of the early days of boba world domination, what can it tell us about the drink's ability to attract people? How does something as Taiwanese as bubble tea work, even here in Eastern Europe?
In the Eastern European culture, they don't smile. They don't like to express their feelings to strangers. But once you get to know them more, basically, when they have the poker face, it just means that they don't know you that well and they try to be more professional. So when you get to know them, they're actually smiling to you all the time because they like to talk to you. So basically, the reason why we make it like really colorful, it's because bubble tea, like there are a lot of flavors and it's for everyone, like the rainbow. So we want to bring the joy to everyone who came here. They enjoy the drink, they enjoy the atmosphere, and they enjoyed our service, especially the service, because we learned it from Japan. And everywhere you go and you get one, you will get excellent service. Like people are always smiling, they always trying to help you. Even though you don't know the language, they're still trying to entertain you.
In many ways, most people would say that Taiwanese stuff is pretty cutesy and fun, not unlike bubble tea, with all its, variety and colors. But why are Taiwanese things so fun and perky, though?
With the Japanese colonization for the first part of the 1900s, maybe that the influences from that period, because Japanese packaging design is very colorful, it's very punchy, it's very playful. Yeah, maybe that just kind of left its mark on Taiwanese design sensibilities.
I think it's really smart for Jen to open up in Krakow because there's no competition. Most young folks get kind of stuck in the glamour and the social influence of big cities like Warsaw, Berlin, Paris, New York. And he didn't fall for that, right? And him being a very youngster, introducing the market to something that is already so well established in the world, it gives him so much margin of error.
这个地方是我们之前第3间店的地方，现在又租给一个咖啡厅。对
OK， 没关系啊，过几个月就把它干回来。他们了解台湾吗？ like 他们认识台湾吗？
对台湾的了解有限，对啊，他们就觉得说就是一个亚洲的地方。
They just know from the news like Taiwan has some things with China, some hate, love relationship, but they don't know the culture. Taiwanese people are really friendly and we are eager to introduce our culture to them.
那你在做珍奶刚开始的时候，你有需要很多的去教育这边的人说台湾是哪里？
其实不用教育，只是重点是他们对这个很有兴趣。 对他们就觉得说台湾是 OK， 然后原来珍奶是那边，他们以为是美国来的。
了解。
对，所以就是他们听到之后反而会更有兴趣，然后更想要去试说
我们去学习。对
对，然后我们的奶茶原来就是这个就是台湾人都是怎么喝的。对，因为会来我们店的客群通常就不会是其他奶茶店的客群，觉得他们习惯这边就不会去别的地方了。
那你觉得你开了这2年里面，大家对台湾的认知有没有更广泛一点？
我觉得倒是有。第一个是媒体的流动性， 第二个是开始比较多人去旅游了，那他们会想要去知道说，那奶茶什么，哇哦，这些 K-pop， 他们就觉得很新奇。这样奶茶不分国界，
对
哪个国家都有奶茶，他们就会想知道说哪边的奶茶好喝，那很多人说台湾。
He believes that represents his culture the most, and so he brings it forward. Yeah, maybe he dialed it up 100%, but at the end of the day, that is his true self, and it shows because he's been open for 2 years now. It's hard to put up a front when it's that energy consuming because being that bubbly is very, very energy consuming. But he's been doing it for a long while, so no, I think it's appreciated because the Taiwanese people are bubbly, are optimistic, are resilient, and are very kind and well-mannered. I think those are the things, the little tidbits that he highlighted.
我们这边的设计其实就是用本店的元素，就是有各种的颜色啊，各种小东西去装饰，去让这个空间没那么小。
那现在有计划再开第三间
对，所以我们明年的话会打算再开一个餐厅的。
啊？
对，
就要做饭。
对，因为餐厅还是比较稳定一点，尤其是冬天的时候。
Moving from a bubble tea lifestyle shop to a restaurant. That sounds very much like a smart business plan, especially when it seems that locals in Poland have an appetite for Taiwanese things.